Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E32s, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Motorola. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher. After that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. In order to use it, select Allow in the pop-ups. So while using the app, allow. Now swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access Home button. Click on it and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, select Apps. Click on Default Apps and tap on Home app. Lastly, click on iOS Launcher in order to apply it. And tap on Got it. As you can see, after that, Apple layout was applied successfully on my Motorola. If you wish to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by going into the same device's settings and in default Home app section, clicking on Motorola or iOS Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!